the open house. I'm so glad you're here. Come on in, let me show you around. My name is Sheila Auctioner, and I want to show you this house. It's 32 square feet. It was built in 2008. So if you see right here, this is a formal living area. You can also turn it into office space if you would like. We also have the formal dining room, and this is where you can find all the information about the house. Since you're here for the open house, this is where you look. And if you have any other questions, feel free to let me know. This house has 4 bedrooms. It has 3.5 baths. So the half bath is located right here at the front so that your guests can easily access it. There's also an office, a private office here, which is great if you're working from home. And now that a lot of us are working from home, this would come in handy. So that's the half bath. If you come in this way, let me show you the kitchen and family room. You can see that it's a great open floor plan with an awesome, gigantic island for all your prepping needs. It has a gas range stove. This is your breakfast area, which is nice and open to the family room so that everyone can feel a part of the conversation. We've got great windows in the back that has great natural lighting for your family. Also have a gas fireplace here for the few days we do have cold weather. If you come in this way, this is the utility room. And here is the master bedroom suite, which is a great retreat place for you and your significant other. It's a great bathroom in here with a jacuzzi tub, separate shower, awesome size closet, which you don't need to see their stuff, but just know it's an awesome size closet. So anyway, this is a great area for you to hide out if you want, or just to relax at the end of a long day. But let me show you the upstairs. There's some awesome spaces up there for your family, or if you have friends coming over. Just to let you know, all the carpet in here is new. They just replaced all of their carpet. So it's like getting a new home. At the top of the landing, when you go to the right-hand side, there's a large room that they've turned into a media room. And in this house, the projector and all of the equipment will be going with the homeowner. However, you can set it up since it's pre-wired for sound. Or you can have another large area for a game room, or a big office, or a music room, or anything you'd like. We do have a game room over here. And then down this way we have a full bathroom. Which is great for those in the game room. So this bedroom has an ensuite bathroom, which is really nice. So this would be a great guest room. Or if you have a parent or parents living with you, they could have their own private bath. And I love the high vaulted ceilings in here. Gives it some character. Down this hallway. And the good thing about this house is the bedrooms are really nice sized. So they're not the 10 by 11 or 10 by 10 that some of the newer builders are using. They're larger with the vaulted ceilings. And this one has a window seat, which is nice. So this home could be yours. It's listed at $315,000. I would love to show you this home in person. If you're interested, feel free to reach out to me. My number is 281-995-0434, and my name is Sheila Auctioner. I would love to show you around. Have a good day.